What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Andrea and today we're gonna make a gin Collins. The Tom Collins is the kind of drink you will drink outside when the weather is nice. The weather is nice, we need something fresh. So we're gonna make a twist on a Tom Collins, adding some Greek inspirations, TZATZIKI Collinis. Your kitchen tools for today are a sous vide device, or maybe a jar, a bowl, a strainer and some kitchen roll, a measured container, a funnel and a bottle. Ingredients: 2 limes, dill, gin. Today I choose Hendricks, it works very well in this cocktail, but your favorite gin will do just fine. Yogurt, honey, and then soda. Pour the gin in the jar and add the dill. Let infuse overnight. For a quicker infusion, I recommend the sous vide method. Put everything in the bag and leave in the fridge for at least 4 hours. While the infusion is happening, mix the juice of 2 limes with the yogurt. I suggest to use natural yogurt. Zero fat or full fat will not make much difference. Set up the kitchen paper over the strainer into the measured jar and let filter the whey. Once it's done, mix well with the honey. Strain and add the gin, combine well, and then just pour into the bottle. And is ready to store into the fridge. There we go, straight from the fridge, our Tzatziki Collins. A bit controversial in terms of ingredients, I know, but this is for sure less boring than any elderflower and cucumber Collins. Yeah, let's try it. A nice ratio for this cocktail would be half and half. If you prefer, you can garnish with lime. I cut some cucumber slices. This is exactly what I expected from this cocktail, guys. Yogurt give an extra sour, super delicious to me. So please don't forget to subscribe, put a like on this video if you really like it, and suggest any other recipe you might want to see in this channel through the comments. This is Andrea, this is Bar Melis. See you next time. Cheers.